Hello everyone, I just wanted to do a quick video to remind everybody that the original Mecha contest is starting again. Now for those of you unaware, this is a contest whereby people are invited to build their own robots or mechs and then enter them for the competition. Now this is a piece that I made for last year, as many of you will recognise, and I must admit this video is partly just an opportunity for me to show this off once more, but I thought it was worth letting everybody know that the contest was starting up again. So a few of you have got in touch saying that you first heard of it from my videos, and some of you have even entered off the back of seeing my videos, so I hope that's of interest to everybody. Here's the entry pass for the series, and what you do is basically print this out or have it on a phone or something and take your work in progress pictures with this in shot. That way they can tell you're actually making the piece for the competition. Now I've got a basic idea of what I'm going to be doing for the contest, and it often starts with some small pieces for me. So what I've got are these, which are pieces from a remote control car. I've had them for ages and I always thought they'd be really useful for including in some form of robot project, so I thought maybe this is the time to use them. And I'm thinking perhaps these could be the beginnings of a sort of a shoulder mechanism or something like that, as they've got that really cool sort of mechanical look to them. So I'm thinking that might be the starting point for whatever I come up with. But I haven't quite started yet, but there'll be a video coming soon once I have. So anyway, that's just a quick shout out for the contest, and if you were thinking of getting involved but were sort of on the fence, well let me encourage you to actually take part. It's good fun, and there's a good Facebook group with people posting their entries as they build them, so it's quite inspiring to see what people come up with. Anyway, just a quick one, so thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.